Have you ever bought a new set of tires or a used set of tires, or you had some for a long time that the white letters turned brown and nasty and everything you tried didn't take any of the darkness off and just made them ugly, and you wanted to make them white without buying new tires? Well, I've got a trick and I'm going to show you what to do. Works really, really well. This is a Milwaukee angle grinder, and these are very small abrasive pads. They're not extremely abrasive, they're lightly abrasive, and they work like pencil erasers. And I will go across this one slowly and show you what it does. Thing looks brand spanking new. Last thing I do is take compressed air and you can blow off all the little rubber shavings. And there it is. Looks like a brand new BFG Radial TA.